Hello and welcome to the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the foundation tier. This is a 1 hour 30-minute paper. You can use a calculator and you should use mathematical instruments. The instructions on the paper says use black ink or black ballpoint pen, draw a diagram in pencil. If you don't use black ink, sometimes it doesn't photocopy correctly, and if it doesn't photocopy correctly, the examiner can't read your answers and therefore can't award you your marks. Fill in the boxes at the bottom of the page. This is very, very important. It's easy to get nervous and want to start answering the questions, but if you don't fill in this important part, the examiners can't trace who you are and none of your marks can be awarded to you. Answer all questions. This is one I would take with a pinch of salt. Answer as many questions as you can. If you're stuck on a question, move on to the next question and come back to it if you have time later on. Don't waste time on a question you can't answer just because it says answer all questions. All that means is all the questions count towards your mark. You must answer the questions in the spaces provided. Do not write outside the box, around each page or on blank papers. Again, when it's photocopied or computer marked or whatever, that area is the bit that's scanned, and if you write outside of that area, it's not photocopied, it's not scanned, you can't be marked for it. Do all rough work in this book. You can be given marks sometimes, even if you get the wrong answer for some of the rough work that you do, if it shows you're on the right track. In all calculations, show clearly how you work out your answer. This is very, very important. Especially on questions that have more than one answer, you usually get 1 mark for the right answer and the rest of the marks are for how you worked it out. The marks for questions are shown in brackets. The maximum mark for this paper is 80. Now this is 1 hour and 30 minutes, that's 90 minutes for the paper and 80 marks. So if you budget 1 minute for each mark, that gives you 10 minutes at the end to go back and tidy up your work, check for mistakes and answer questions that you might have skipped. You may ask for more paper, graph paper and tracing paper. These must be tagged securely to the answer book. Again, if they get separated, you don't get marked for it. Okay, with that taken into account, let's pick up in question 1. Here are 7 numbers, 13, 6, 12, 7, 6, 4 and 8. Work out the range of the 7 numbers, circle your answer. Okay, so the range of numbers is the difference between the highest and the lowest number. So the highest number in this list is 13. The lowest number in this list is 4. So the answer is 13 minus 4 equals 9. So there's our answer. What is the mode of the 7 numbers? Okay, the mode is the number that occurs most frequently. So we have 13, 6, 12, 7, 6, 4, 8. 6 occurs twice. All the other numbers occur once. So the answer is 6. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.